My name is John Snedeker. I'm the clinical director of LaSara Medical Group in Los Angeles and Orange County of California. We are the experts in reversing erectile dysfunction. In this video, you're going to meet Sam. We blurred out his face for his own privacy, but you are going to hear his story about how he was able to overcome erectile dysfunction by moving forward with our focused shockwave therapy.
Generally, I'm very, very fortunate in the sense that I haven't had any major complications medically. I've had a few broken bones over my life, but that's normal from just falling down or catching a ball incorrectly. I really have no prescriptions other than prescriptions that I've taken to enhance my issues related to erectile dysfunction, and I haven't been able to pinpoint any particular cause other than age. I think it's normal for men to slow down later on, and I'm over 68, so I began to understand that and started taking prescriptions that were offered to me by my doctor, which helped me out for a number of years until I came to LaSara. I was always proud of my ability to respond like a man normally should up until about 10-12 years ago, probably 10 years ago, when I was a little surprised that I couldn't feel normal in that way, and got medical treatment to deal with it, which consisted of enhanced prescriptions that enhanced my ability. But over time, those have worn off in terms of their how well they work, which is why I was confronted with the possibility of having to do something more radical, such as surgery, and I wasn't really excited about that. And basically, I was looking for any other way that I could possibly do it in a natural way, get some kind of natural treatment. I had read about the use of sound waves that was being applied in this area, but it was a technique that wasn't available here in the United States, so I didn't consider it until I heard about LaSara. ED, once you confront the fact that you have it, becomes a very depressing issue because you feel that you can't provide the kind of intimacy that your wife is looking for, and that it's going to hinder your relationship in that way, even though your wife might sound like she's very understanding. And on the other negative side, you feel that maybe you're progressing toward the end, which is not a great feeling. So, and also I've always had a philosophy that good sex is a way to have a healthy life and a long life. So I was very encouraged to try and do something about it. I had a condition where I had scar tissue in one part of my genital area that affected a vein, and that was caused by improper use of the prescriptions that I used for ED. And I thought, well, even if it doesn't work for my ED, perhaps I'll be able to eliminate this other problem. And as it turned out, everything has been very favorable in the sense that not only did I eliminate that problem, because the sound waves, of course, affect your vascular system, and it caused that particular problem to rebuild itself in a favorable way. And I find now that I'm more capable of acting like a normal man. I want to talk about my overall experience with LaSara and going through the normal treatments, which are 6 treatments, through my earlier sessions. By the end of those treatments, and a period thereafter, I found that my ability to perform had improved immensely. And when I had a follow-up meeting with the doctors here at LaSara, I was told that they had the ambition of improving me even further to the point where I would have minimal use of any other enhancements. And so I'm continuing with another session for a period of time, and this was actually encouraged by the doctors at LaSara. It wasn't something that I pushed for. So by saying this, I want to tell you how impressed I am with the professional people here at LaSara and their ambition to really work with the patients to achieve a favorable end. I will say from my own experience, I'm sure everybody would like to address this issue in a manner that is closest to any kind of natural cure as possible. My advice to a lot of men now would be that in the initial stages of realizing that you have ED, I would recommend that you try this sound treatment technique before using other enhancements. Now, obviously, many of you will be into Viagra or Cialis already, perhaps, but even then, it's better to try this technique before you go on to other prescriptions that are heavier in dosage.
There you have it, another success story from LaSara Medical Group. If you too are experiencing erectile dysfunction, feel free to give us a call or visit our website for more information, as we'd be happy to bring you into our practice and teach you more about our treatment and get you back to functioning naturally.